Good morning dear students and parents. Hope so you are fit and fine. Today we are going to start block 5. Before this we have completed our block 4. So today we are going to start our block 5 lesson plan 1. And what is the topic? Our topic is something new. For this topic, before going to start, I would like to request all the parents to collect the resources. And what are the resources? Only content book, notebook and workbook. And keywords for this: mismatched. The meaning of mismatched, the things which are not matching with each other, जो चीज़ें मैच नहीं करती हैं. Rhyme, rhyme, rhythm, beat, silly, zing. Okay, so what is our topic? Our topic is something new. Something new means we are going to do something new. कुछ नया करने जा रहे हैं हम. Okay student, now I'm going to repeat some words and listen them very carefully. Okay, rat, bat, cat, mat. What are these words? Right, all these words are rhyming words. So what is our aim today? For today's topic, our aim is identify rhyming words and read aloud a poem with expression. Means what are we going to do? We will find out the rhyming words. And where do we find the rhyming words? Right, in the poems. Yes. So today we are going to find rhyming words in a poem and we will read a poem with expression. Expression, do you know the meaning of expression? How to express our feelings by our facial expression. जिसे हमारी जो भी फीलिंग होती है हम अपने फेस से अलग अलग फीचर्स बना के उसको एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. सो दिस इज आवर एम. Students, now move to the action part. What will we do? Read and identify rhyming words. Means we will read a poem and we will find out the rhyming words. Today we are going to read a poem and you will find out the rhyming words. Okay students, now tell me, do you like the poems? Do you like to read a poem? Why do you like? Yes, tell me the answer. Yes, because poems are interesting to read. Whenever we are reading a poem, it is interesting to read. And which things made the poems interesting? पोएम्स की रीडिंग को इंटरेस्टिंग कौन से वर्ड्स बना देते हैं? राइट, द राइमिंग वर्ड्स. व्हेन द पोएम हैज अ राइमिंग वर्ड, द राइमिंग वर्ड्स मेक अ पोएम इंटरेस्टिंग. लाइक ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार, हाउ आई वंडर what you are. So do you like this poem? Yes, you might have liked this poem because this is a poem and this is also having the rhyming words at the end of the sentence. Yes, and whenever we are reading a poem, there is a rhythm in the poem. Rhythm होती है ना poem को. So these things make the poems interesting to read. So now I'm going to read the poem and you will just follow the text with your finger. Okay students, now open your content book, page number 23. What is the name of the poem? Right, something new. Now I'm going to read the poem and you will follow the text with your finger. Okay, yes, let's start the reading. There is fun to be had in doing a new thing. Be a little silly, give your day some jing. Ever smile with your eyes and laugh with your nose. You could try it out and see how it goes. Try walking on your hands and writing with your toes. Draw rhinos flying high over a giant blue rose. Have your breakfast at night, eat dinner at noon. Wear mismatched socks, comb your hair with a spoon. Doing your things can be so much fun, but you have to be safe. That's rule number 1. Okay student, just now I have read the poem. Yes student, now I'm again reading the poem and listen it very carefully. There is fun to be had in doing a new thing. Be a little silly, give your day some jing. Ever smile with your eyes and laugh with your nose. You could try it out and see how it goes. Try walking on your hands and writing on your toes. Draw rhinos flying high over a giant blue rose. Have your breakfast at night. Eat dinner at noon. Wear mismatched socks. Comb your hair with a spoon. Doing new things can be so much fun, but you have to be safe. That's rule number 1. Students, just now I have read the poem. I have read it 2 times. Have you noticed any difference between first time I read the poem and when I read it second time? Any difference was there? Yes. First time when I read the poem, I read it in a flat voice. And when second time I read it with a beat or rhythm. When second time I was reading the poem, I read it with a beat or rhythm, and I give expressions also with the words. My voice went up and down for the different words. Yes, it happened now. You have noticed that changes. When I read the second time, I give the facial expression for every word. जब मैंने सेकेंड टाइम उसको रीड किया था तो मैंने अपने वॉइस को अप और डाउन किया था. कहीं वॉइस हाई हो जाती, कहीं डाउन चली जाती है, और अलग अलग एक्सप्रेशंस भी दिए थे और उसको रिदम में गाकर भी सुनाया था. ओके, विच वन यू लाइक मोस्ट? Yes, the second one you like most. Yes, student, now what will you do? You will read the poem as I read it second time. This how you will read the poem, and while reading, what will you do? You will do one more thing. You will circle the rhyming words. You will have circled the word like this. All the rhyming words and I have circled. Now move to the analysis part. Now I am going to ask some questions which are based on the activity, which are based on your reading. Just now you have read the poem. I am going to ask some question on your reading. My first question is, what is the poem about? What is the poem about? Poem किसके बारे में है? Right. The poem is about a child. Maybe it is of your age. जो बच्चा है वो आप ही की एज का है. Yes. And what does he likes to do? He likes to do silly things. Yes, the poem is given about this thing only. It is a poem about a child. He likes to do some silly things. Is my next question is, why is it called something new? And what were some things, what were some silly things in the poem? Yes, why is it called something new? Yes, it is called something new because the child is asking you to do things you have never done before, such as laugh with nose, write with your toes, and move on your hands, and comb your hair with a spoon. Means इसको क्यों कहा गया समथिंग न्यू? बिकॉज जो चाइल्ड है इसमें वो क्या कहता है आपको? ही इज आस्किंग फॉर द न्यू थिंग्स. वो हमें नई नई चीज़ें करने के लिए बोलता है. लाइक हमें नोज से हंसने के लिए बोलता है. लाइक राइटिंग का काम हम हैंड से करते हैं, बट ही इज आस्किंग टू डू दिस वर्क विद आवर टोज, एंड वी आर combing our hair with a comb, but the child is asking here to comb your hair with a spoon. So this is why the name of the poem is something new. Yes, student, now be ready for the next question. What rhyming words did you find in the poem? What rhyming words did you find in the poem? Yes, you circled some words. Those were the rhyming words which I asked you in the activity part. Yes, which words? Yes, these words: think, zing, nose, gauze, toss, rolls, noon, spoon, fun, one. Yes, these were the rhyming words in the poem. Yes. How is the poem like a song? How is the poem like a song? When you read the poem, it was like a song? Yes. Why it was like a song? Yes, it was like a song because all the lines have, almost lines are having the rhyming words. Rhyming words like think, zing, nose, goes, toes, rose, like this. Because of these rhyming words, the poem has a rhythm. So whenever we are reading the poem, because of these rhyming words, it is like a song. It has a beat. This beat is also called a rhythm. Because of these rhyming words made a beat in the poem, and this beat is called a rhythm. And because of this rhythm, whenever we are reading the poem, it is looking like a song. Yes, so now be ready for the thoughts, the higher order thinking question. Yes, my question is, why the poem is having the rhyme and the rhythm? Yes, right. Why do you think poems have rhyme and rhythm? Right. Rhymes gives a beat to a poem. The rhymes, जो rhyming words होते हैं, those words gives a beat to a poem and makes it more fun to say and listen to. Whenever we are going to read it, it makes more funny and more interesting to listen it. And it also makes the poem sound nicer. और जो poem की sound होती है उसको भी बहुत अच्छा बना देती है. What? The rhyming words, the rhythm. जो rhythm और rhymes होती हैं वो poem के beat को बहुत अच्छा बना देती है, जिससे वो हमें सुनने में बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. Rhyming words make it easier to remember the poem as well. Okay, rhyming words make it easier to remember. Rhyming words की वजह से हम poem को बहुत easily learn भी कर सकते हैं. Both rhyme and rhythm make a poem sound like a song. In fact, most songs are poem with music. ज़्यादातर जो poems होती हैं उनको music के साथ गाया भी जाता है ना. So it makes interesting to poem to read it and to listen it. Rhyming words sometime might be spelled differently. जो rhyming words होते हैं कई बार उनकी spellings जो होती है वो different होती है, but उनकी sound जो है वो same ही रहती है. Like here, nose goes. The spelling is different. Here Nose, but here Goes. But the sound is same. Like nose goes, toes rose. So this how the rhyming words also given sometimes in the poems. Okay, student, now it is time for the application time. What will you do? You will finish S1 given on page number 31 in your workbook, and please complete your workbook within 15 minutes. It must be completed.
Students, now open page number 31 of your workbook S1, something new. Look at question number 1. Underline the rhyming words in this poem. You will read this poem with a rhythm as we have read in the activity also. You will read it and then you will find out the rhyming words and then you will underline all the rhyming words in this poem. Now move to the question number 2. Write one rhyming word for each word. Here in the table some words are given. You will write one rhyming word for each word. Bake cake means what will you do? आप इन words के लिए एक एक rhyming word next box में लिखेंगे. Now on question number 3. Make two sentences each with a pair of rhyming words. What will you do here? You will take one pair of the rhyming words and then you will make two sentences here. Like for example, one is done for you. I went to the lake and ate the cake. Here lake and cake, two rhyming words are taken and one sentence is made here. So this how you will also make the sentences.
Yes, student, now it is time for your homework. What will you do in your homework? Do practice question 1 to 4 on page number 24 in content book. You will complete the practice questions of this chapter which are given on page number 24 in your content book, and read the poem again. You will read the poem again and write the rhyming words in your notebook. The rhyming words which you have circled, you will write them in your notebook. Now move to the summarization part. What have we learned in today's class? Right. We have learned to read a poem with expression. By expression, expressions के साथ हमने किया था ना, ups और downs के साथ हमने poem की reading को सीखा, and we have learned about the rhyming words. And these rhyming words help us to read a poem with a rhythm. Because अगर किसी poem में जब rhyming words होते हैं तो rhyming words क्या देते हैं एक poem को? एक beat देते हैं. उस beat के साथ जब हम reading करते हैं उसमें एक रिदम आ जाती है और उस रिदम से वो पोएम एक सॉन्ग के जैसे लगती है. सो टुडे वी हैव लर्न about the rhyming words and to read the poem with expression like jing, ting, run, fun, blue, shoe. So these rhyming words also give a beat. Yes, so we have read, today we have learned to read a poem with expression and to find out the rhyming words. Now be ready for the next class also, and the resources for next class only your content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.